Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can put on a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy A13. Okay, so I just got a spam number calling me, that's fine. So what you want to do is first switch off the device. It will make it easier to put on the screen protector. So now that it is switched off, I'm going to use a alcohol rub right here. This is the wet one and it's quite tiny, but it should be enough, so we can use it to clean the screen right here. So give it a good clean, and then we're going to wipe off any dust on the screen. So just give it a good clean, and then we're going to apply the screen protector or the tempered glass onto the Galaxy A13, Samsung Galaxy A13. Okay, so now with the screen protector, tempered glass, we're going to peel out the protective layer, and we're going to place this one on top of the screen, just like so. Okay, and I'm going to use this card and push out the bubbles. So use this card, or use a card that you have available, and try to push out any bubbles that is forming on the inside. And if the bubble is still there, you might need to lift up and try it again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.